Camp Managers, I'm Emily Ho from District 89. It is always good to recognize our members, especially when they have completed a level in Pathways. We can announce them in the club meetings, in club announcements, and present certificates to them. In Pathways, we can retrieve their Pathways certificates. So let's see how to retrieve the certificates for them in Pathways for our members.
After logging into our TI website, we can log in the Basecamp, then log in as Basecamp Manager, and then you can search your member's name here. Click on the member which you want to look for. Here you can see the information of your member. Then click Paths and Learning. Here you can see the curriculum which your member is working on. We click Open Curriculum. And this member has completed level 1. So we'll click View Details. And you can see that you or one of your Basecamp manager has approved this member's level completion, level 1. And click View Certificates here. After clicking View Certificate, you can see the certificates available for this member. Then you can use a printer and print out the certificate and present to your member in club meetings, and also send a digital or print a copy for your member and recognize their progress. And of course, to say congratulations to your member for their completion.